last night, eh, tomorrow night. So we'll get up on the starting, guys. And then we'll get the boss to go first. Rightio, we look across. You see our bike ride is ready. Newcastle, I want you to count down from 3. You go 3, 2, 1, go. Are you ready, Newcastle? Come on, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! So we're going to Tyler come around on the flat track of it. Oh! Brody pulls up a stunt. Tyler comes through around the top. Brody will go around the outside of Mount Dingo. Come through, do a final jump, and when they tag the opposition, oh, big jump, which way do you look? So you got 600 horsepower stadium trucks. I think it's about 65 horsepower.